In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Linktree to sell products. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple, clean shop section right inside your Linktree, so your audience can easily browse and buy what you're selling. First, open your browser and log into your Linktree account. Once you're in, you'll land on your Linktree dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage everything your visitors see. Make sure you're in the admin area, not the public view of your page. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the menu and click on the option labeled Shop. This is where Linktree groups all the tools and settings related to selling products. If you've never set this up before, this page might look a bit empty, and that's completely fine. Next, inside the Shop section, click on My Products. Think of My Products as your product library. Every product you add here can be displayed in your Linktree shop section for your followers to discover. Now, click on the Add button. This is how you create a new product entry. When you click it, you'll see a field where you can type in a URL for your product. This URL should link directly to where people can buy the item, such as a specific product page on your website, an online store, or a payment link. Take a moment to double check the URL so customers don't end up on the wrong page. After you've pasted or typed in the product URL, click on the plus icon to confirm and add that product to your list. Linktree will save it as one of your shop items. If you have multiple products, you can repeat this process and build a small catalog right inside your Linktree. Once your products are added, go back to the main navigation on the left and click on Links. Here, you'll see all the active sections and links that appear on your public Linktree profile, including a new shop section that has just been created. Find the title for your shop in this list and click on the small pen or edit icon next to it. This lets you rename the shop section. Choose a clear, inviting title, like Shop My Products or Store, so visitors immediately understand what it is. After you've done that, your Linktree will now show a dedicated shop section. When users tap it, they'll be able to view the products you added, click through to their URLs, and purchase from you directly through those destination pages.